Welcome back to Practical Jobs to be Done, where I dive deep into the heart of innovation and customer experience. In today's episode, I'm shedding light on a term that's both celebrated and misunderstood in the corporate world: customer experience, or CX. Our journey today will challenge conventional views and provide a fresh perspective on what true CX entails. If you're listening to this on a podcast app, there's a companion written blog with completely different content and visualizations at jobstobedone.substack.com. You'll find a link to that in the show notes. The term innovation has been stretched to its limits, becoming a buzzword that everyone from CEOs to design teams, and even those in janitorial services, wishes to attach to their roles. This widespread adoption has diluted its significance. Similarly, the concept of customer experience has been ensnared in a web of confusion, with many limiting its scope to just the customer's journey, from awareness to purchase, use, and potential recommendation. Yet, this view barely scratches the surface of CX. Today's businesses face a stark reality: a splintered approach to CX, where departments work in silos, each claiming dominion over the customer without a shared vision or understanding. This disjointed method stands in stark contrast to what effective and holistic customer experience management should be. But the challenge doesn't end there. Companies are grappling with a lack of cohesive, customer-focused objectives, strategies often misaligned with actual customer needs, and a fundamental misunderstanding of their market. This misalignment leads to missed opportunities, unnecessary complexity, and ultimately a diluted customer experience. In the pursuit of innovation, many firms fall into the trap of adding features or services without assessing their real contribution to reducing effort or enhancing value for the customer. This approach not only fails to address the core needs, but often complicates the customer's experience further. Let's take Disney as a counterexample. They don't just sell park tickets or movies, they sell unforgettable experiences. Every aspect, from park transportation to food service, is meticulously designed to enhance the overall experience, making it seamless and memorable for their guests. The lesson here is clear. For most businesses, the service should strive to be seamless and almost invisible, focusing on eliminating friction rather than adding forgettable features. This raises an important question. Are businesses genuinely selling an experience, or is that notion a convenient distraction from not addressing the fundamental jobs to be done of their customers? This is where the design-driven process without foundational customer need analysis shows its flaws. Design thinking has been celebrated for its potential to drive innovation, much like Apple's success story. Yet it often overlooks the crucial step of truly understanding customer needs, a gap that the Jobs to be Done framework seeks to fill. By focusing on the core functional job of the customer and identifying a finite set of success metrics, the Jobs to be Done framework aligns product and service innovation with actual customer goals. This integration into the initial phases of design thinking can provide a more accurate semantic understanding of customer needs, guiding innovation more effectively. Yet, the journey to a profound understanding of CX isn't solely about adjusting methodologies, but also involves a fundamental shift in mindset. It's about recognizing the role of every product or service in the broader ecosystem of the customer's life, moving beyond immediate solutions to understand and integrate into the web of customers' needs and experiences. But how do companies navigate this complex landscape to achieve true CX enlightenment? The answer lies beyond conventional consulting models, embracing technological advancements and methodologies that allow for quicker, more adaptable engagement with customer needs. This modern approach requires not only understanding and mapping customer needs. As we advance, companies must break free from traditional models in favor of more dynamic, efficient, and scalable solutions. These approaches not only accelerate the identification of customer needs, but also facilitate a more agile response to these demands, keeping businesses ahead in the competitive game. In conclusion, true customer experience transcends traditional journey mapping or superficial enhancements. It demands a deep dive into the heart of customer needs, addressing them in a way that creates lasting economic value and fosters genuine connections. It's a challenge that calls for strong leadership, a unified vision, and a commitment to an integrated approach across all departments. Thank you for joining me today in this exploration of the true essence of customer experience and innovation. Remember, at the core of every strategy lies an unwavering focus on the customer. It's not just about the product or service, but about seamlessly fulfilling the customer's job to be done. Until next time on Practical Jobs to be Done, keep questioning, keep exploring, and most importantly, keep innovating. See you later.